Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I am going to discuss about the 45-degree stocks that based on the charting scanner, we are finding out some 45-degree stocks that I am going to discuss in this video. And before going to that, so many questions about where to find out the scanner and how to find out the scanner. So I'm going to explain you how you can get the scanner. And again, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe it. Right? So where to get the scanner? How I can get the scanner? Right? So here I'm going to open a new window. So I'm going to update my charting.com. So you can use, I'm not logged it. So here I'm not logged in it. So you can go to the scanners and screeners. Then you can search whatever the name which I given for the scanner, that name you can directly search for. So the 45-degree stocks which I given the name of, find the 45-degree stocks. That is what the name of the scanner which I given for it. Just copy the scan or type the scan on the new window, and here you can search it for find the 45-degree stocks. Let you search it, so you will be getting. And let's look at this, how many copy you can copy, no problem. I given you free, na? You can copy and you can use it, right? So I'm not restrict any, you can use it, right? So this is my scanner and the 45-degree stocks. Or simply you can I'm not given you the name for find the 45-degree. Yeah, find the 45-degree is my name. So what I'm going to do, I will change the name so easily to understand. So most of the scanners which I provided, so with my YouTube name Talent Traders. So if you look at this scan, you will be finding out Talent Traders, or you simply search the name of my YouTube channel Talent Traders. Just search this stock, and oh my god, almost 100 pages. Great, thank you so much, because you copied my lot of scans, but I provide you free. You have the rights to copy it, no problem. I think it may be easy. I try to find out. It's very difficult to find out with my name of Talent Traders. To find a individual scanners, it is 100% tough one to find out here. Better you can search with the name of the scanner. So find 345. I'm going to search the scanner. If I'm search it, so oh my god. Okay, copy. Oh, no problem. So you can use it, make use of it. Even if you make a ₹1 profit with my scanner, it is a great credit to me. Thanks for doing. I think I was surprised while I'm seeing my YouTube name on charting scanner. It's a more than 100 pages. It looks great. Thanks for your support, and thanks for believing me and copying my scanners. Thank you so much. More than 100 pages. It's great. Thank you. So a lot of scanners. If anyone want to the scan, where to find out, how to find out, there you can easily find out with the name I showed you, and how to make the scanner. That is also I made a video. You can copy that, follow the steps on the video. You can create, or if you finding difficulties to create a scanner, just find the search with the name of the scanner, so you will easily find out. Okay, and I hope I cleared your doubts. You are asking about WhatsApp and Telegram, so you can easily find out my scanners. But some scanners which I am not provided as a public, it's my private scan, which I just stopped. I'm not providing you in public, so that is my personal use that I'm using. Right. So let's go to the video now. Almost taken a 5 minutes of yours. So I hope you understand. So today's my trade which I have done in 2 stocks How many of them are following these stocks? And last video I have taken a screenshot. On that screenshot I find two stocks, the Ashok Leyland and Bajaj Finserv Limited. These two stocks which I did the trade today on intraday, which I booked around a 10k profit on these two stocks alone, Ashok Leyland and Bajaj Finserv. Simply how I did the trade based on this 45-degree movement stocks, right? So yesterday I taken a screenshot, but unfortunately I have deleted the screenshot in my system. Let's look at this. Bajaj Finserv is the top stock by yesterday, right? That is what a 45-degree stock by yesterday. And DLF, SRF, India Cement, Info-Edge, Godrej, Jindal Steel and Power, Mindtree and some other stock will be in the list. The 10th stock would be Ashok Leyland. So 8 stocks where we can see, but I searched it out. I'm not finding out all the 10 stocks here, and even I'm trying it out. But the 10th stock would be a Ashok Leyland. Yesterday I had taken a screenshot and I read it, and today what happened? The same stock from the yesterday's list, which one is even a DLF also be coming there here, right? But it has happened after sometimes later I find out this DLF. But I find in the earlier opening itself, I find Ashok Leyland and Bajaj Finserv. So yesterday is a 45-degree and today also in the list of 45-degree. Maybe the trend continuation would be the key. Trend continuation may happen, right? That's happened on these two stocks, Ashok Leyland and Bajaj Finserv, within a quick time frame. I'm not taking a huge 1 hour, 2 hour. In the fraction of seconds and minutes, it gives you good profit. I booked out. I booked out based on the same 45-degree angle stocks. One which I booked as Ashok Leyland, which I bought the call option of 160 around 6.8. And I have booked around 7.85, almost 5,200. The lot size is 5,000. I bought a 1 lot, so which I booked around a 5,200. Let's show you that trade on Ashok Leyland. What happened here? 160 call option. Let's look at that. This is the trade where it is happening. I took around earlier, the beginning of the opening itself around 9:20, 9:25, around 6.8. Within a few minutes before 10 o'clock, it reaches towards 7.85, will give me 5,250 rupees profit. A single trade based on this free scanner. And after that it went to 8.95. If I'm waiting it out, maybe the chances to giving me a profit more than 10k on this trade itself, right? But closed around 8.25. Even 50 paisa higher from my entry or 40 paisa higher from my entry is almost another 2,000. So maximum 7,000 rupees is profit by closing a. But I invested almost 35,000. The total investment required to do the trade on options is 35k, which is 35,000, which I made a 5,000 is more than 15%. That's good enough on an intraday basis. So I exited. Right. So this is about a concept. I'm not doing using any advanced strategy, any other methods. I'm not used. I just simply see the charts, the stocks. I'm not going to see the charts of the stocks also. Finally, that was giving you good profit. And the next one, which I'm done in Bajaj Finserv, that simply 100 point within a fraction of minute, where I took the entry around 800. That is what a 17,000 call option, which I'm going to take in for today. Based on the same concept, yesterday the stock was in 45-degree and the same stock which is available in today's 45-degree scan. So maybe the trend continuation, that is a confirmation. Trend continuation, that was the confirmation from the trend. So I bought this and I sold at 905. What was the tragedy here? When I sold it, immediately it went to 1,200 within a not taken a much more than 5 minutes. Okay, within a minute, quick time frame, it went up to almost 1,200, maybe 300 point, almost 400 point. That was one lot, which is 20,000 rupees increased. That may happen. I'm not expecting all that high and low should be my entry point. I just entered with my capital. So what the capital I deployed for the trade? So 40,000 which I invested here for the trade, more than 10% which generate me an intraday, good enough. I exited out, good enough profit which I got it. But this is a simple scanner which I am providing you free, and I know I tell you how to find out the stock. These two stocks which I am focusing on intraday, that gives me nearby 10k plus based on the single scanner. I'm not charging for this, I'm giving you free, and you can search with the name of find the 45-degree stocks by using talent traders. You will be finding out. I seen one video, someone who copied the this one. I don't worried about it because I am giving you for free. Anyone can make use of it, no problem for me. Got it? But I have some courses that I am taken with a paid one, so this is free. And let's look at this today's top 10 stocks. DLF also today came, DLF from the list we seen yesterday. Bajaj Finserv and Ashok Leyland, which I seen by yesterday's scanner and today's scanner, that give me a confidence the trend is moving upward. That finally I took the trade, and you can see fraction of minutes I can show you the charts of that particular Bajaj Finserv. 17,000. Let's look at this. Almost this point I took around 925, 800 rupees. Let's look at this. The price is around 800. You can see within a 935, 1200. After that it never came down below 1000. It may trade 1100, 1160, and finally end of the day also it is closed by 1020. Same like that Ashok Leyland 160, that is also we take earlier. Most I think I was taken around 6.8 at this time, maybe this time, and immediately went to 7.4 at that 925 itself. I was taken the position and went to 7.4, again it coming to 6.15 and by 8.15. So this time by before 940 I bought around 6.8 and I exited 7.8. After that it is trading on the same range, and finally it moves towards 8 after around 2 o'clock, after 2:30 it went up. So but quick profit of 10%, 15% in an intraday would be the best chances, right? So now you can see, I'll show you this tomorrow what are the stocks we can focus from the top 10 list. From this list, if you find any stocks tomorrow, you can do the paper trade. If you are taking a risk, you can do the live trade. These are the 10 stocks for I am focusing it for tomorrow. From this list of stocks, if any stock which is coming to my scanner tomorrow 45-degree, even the chances to make profit on that, let me try tomorrow what will happen. From this list, if any stocks will come to the scanner, we can try. And DLF, so I'm not using any charts for this trade. I am teaching you free. If you want to take, you can take it out. If you have any questions or a doubt also, you can contact me. So the simple way we can make the profit by in an intraday. But I'm fully an option trader. I'm doing mostly options trades. I'm not doing in any futures and other things. So simple thing which is giving you some good result. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for being with me, and keep supporting me and keep subscribing my YouTube channel. And if you like, if you like this video, hit the like button and share to your friends. Thank you for watching this, and thanks for your time. Thank you so much.